All right, welcome to how to play Little Groove. So we're going to start off with the first four measures. So the hardest part of the first four measures is definitely the ending, and we're going to stick the ending like we're just playing straight 16th notes. But we're going to get rid of the hits that are rests. So it would be the first four measures altogether would be we're going to move on to the next four measures. And so we have a lot of rolls in this one. And what we're going to do for the rolls is we're going to do straight 16th notes through the rolls. But we're going to double stroke all the 16th notes. So for the first measure, we have a long roll, a rim shot, and then we got a couple doubles on an accent pattern, which you've probably seen a lot. The next measure, we got 3 5-stroke rolls back to back to back to back. And then we're going to end, the last 5-stroke roll is going to end with a rim shot. And then on B4, we're going to do 2 rim shots. So really slow, it would be. Next measure is the same as the first measure of the section. And then the final measure is an accent pattern. So make sure you play the accents correctly. Now on the third section, we're going to have a bunch of rolls. And again, we're just going to play 16th notes through them and double stroke all the 16th notes. So the first measure, we have a little gallop, a roll, and then we're going to do a rim shot into a gallop. The next measure after that, we got 2 6-stroke rolls, a rim shot, and a normal hit, and then we got a roll into 2 rim shots at the end. And again, with the roll, we're just going to go and play 16th notes and double stroke them. Third measure is the same as the first, and the fourth measure is just a hit on 1. The final measure of the song is, again, we're just going to do straight 16th notes and don't hit the notes that are rests.